Hello, welcome to another Bethel University Writing Center podcast. I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Bethany. Today we're going to show you how to research effectively from beginning to end. Say you're in class and you're given a paper prompt like this one.
Using examples from the text and from outside sources, write a 5-page research paper in which you analyze the ways that the theme of time is used in Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dalloway. 2 outside book sources and 2 scholarly articles are required.
So, what's the best way to start this? If we're going to look for the scholarly articles that are required for this paper, the best way to do so would be to go to Blank and click on the Library tab. Once you get to the Library tab, you can scroll down and then you click on Databases and Sources by Subject List. And since Mrs. Dalloway is a piece of literature, we will click on Language, Lit, and Poetry for our area of interest. And from here, you can click on a variety of search engines. Academic Search Premier, JSTOR, MLA Bibliography are all pretty popular. For this presentation, we'll use JSTOR. Okay, once this pops up, you can click on Search and go to Advanced Search. From here, we can type in our search words, and so we can start off with Wolf. And say I want this to be in the item title. All you have to do is go over here and select that. And then you can type in Mrs. Dalloway. And you can add a field and search for time. And so from here, it's best to click on articles and limit your search to that. And then to also select English as your language. And then click search. From here, we'll just click on the first one, since they're usually sorted by relevancy.
Alright, so what do you do with your article once you finally found it? First thing I usually do is I'll click on this little View PDF link. I'm not going to do that today because it's more simple to just view it on here, but the View PDF link will help you to see it in a bigger font, and it'll help you to move through it more easily and print it if you want to. Alright, so you take a look at the title and you notice that it's pretty relevant to your topic, but I wouldn't take that for granted. So let's just go through. What you'll do at first is you'll generally read the first paragraph or two. If you still think it might be relevant to your paper that you're writing, I would read the last couple of paragraphs as well and kind of go through those and just skim them. And when you've decided that it's relevant, then you're free to move through each paragraph, and you can make little marginal notes summarizing the paragraph, talking about its function in the article. And when you've determined that you have stuff you can use, I would begin pulling quotes out, putting them in a separate Word document that you can use next to your paper. So you kind of have like one place where all of your stuff is being kept, and you can easily locate your research and find out who wrote it and such.
And so now that we have determined that we want to use this article, in order to get the citation and create your bibliography, you can click on Export Citation. And from here, you can click on RefWorks. And we already have a page pulled up. And so you will be taken to this page after you log in. And you will find your last imported piece in the last imported folder. And so from here, you can choose to place it in a new folder or place it in an already existing folder. And so once you do that, you can simply click Create Bibliography. And then from here, you can select which style you want. You can choose APA, Chicago, MLA. And then you can click here and select which format you'd like the bibliography in. So I would click Word for Windows. And then you simply select which folder you want to use, and you're ready to create your bibliography.
Cool. And remember, when we're using these kind of automatic works cited resources, that's not a substitution. It's just an extra resource we can use. So, all right, guys. Thanks for listening. Stop by the Writing Center if you have any trouble with your next paper. See you there.